सर्वे
कृष्णनगर में आपने बोल दिया ना।
वो तो मैंने किसी को नहीं बोला, मैंने खाली इतना ही बोला कि एमएलए ने अच्छा काम किया है। बट ये फाइनल डिसीजन होगा पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी। मेरा टिकट भी कंफर्म नहीं है, मैं कहाँ से लड़, वो भी मैं भी नहीं जानता हूँ। ये डिसीजन तो हमारा दिल्ली में ही लेगा, लेकिन हाँ, जो भी एमएलए अच्छा काम कर रहा है, 6 महीना और है, उनको उत्साह देना मेरा काम है।
सर बरापानी हाईवे प्रधानमंत्री ডাঙৰীয়াই কৰিব ডলু এয়াৰপৰ্টটো কি তেখেতে আহিব নেকি?
মানে দলু আৰু বৰাপানী দুইটাই ডাঙৰ প্ৰজেক্ট, এপ্ৰুভেল খিনি হৈ যাওক, কাম কাজ চলি আছে, তেতিয়া মই জনাম। বাট একবাৰটো ইলেকশ্যনৰ আগতে উইল ট্ৰাই টু ব্ৰিং প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ টু বৰাক ভেলী।
About the Pokrajar blast, you said one person has been identified, and some news is saying that there's a Maoist link.
There is a person in Kokrajar who also operating from Jharkhand.
Is there a Maoist link?
That, and he had a Maoist link. But according to our information, this guy is trying to create a new outfit in Assam.
Yes.
But he has a very close link in Jharkhand. Jharkhand police is also after him. So Assam and Jharkhand will coordinate and will launch a joint operation against
And
him.
did they try to trigger a big?
They triggered the blast, but somehow the train, the wheel of the train was bigger
Yeah.
than the damage it has caused, and they triggered the blast in a goods train. Obviously, they did not try to derail a passenger train, but they definitely tried to derail the goods train. And train passes off, but that because they blasted the IED, it took away the rail line around 2 feet, but wheel was bigger than that, so it did not affect that. Otherwise, it would have been a big disaster.
It was.